Hey guys, it is Sophie the Shadow Hunter, and today I'm going to be doing my reaction video to the SOILDER by Lacy Strum. This is off of her first solo album called Live Screams. It is a phenomenal album and a great song. If you guys have not heard, I highly recommend you guys go check it out. Come back and leave a comment down below. So first off, we'll listen to this song together and then I'll read you the lyrics. So here's the SOILDER by Lacy Strum. I hope you like it. This one's written by Joshua Strum, her husband, and David Hodges. So this song is talking about someone who's a soldier who's fighting for life. They've been through war. They've seen people dying. They've seen people sick in hospitals dying, fighting for their lives. But they're not gonna let this stop them. They're gonna keep on fighting on, soldiering on, till they can get through it at the end of it alive. So here's next to the SOILDER. You draw your line in the sand, so I'm crossing over again. You brag that you're a grenade, so I pull your pin and wait. I love that line. You draw your line in the sand, so I'm crossing over again. You brag that you're a grenade, so I pull your pin and wait. The time will come, your power is gone. Yeah, I might die in a day, but I'm gonna die anyway. So she's saying, I might die today, but she knows she's gonna die anyway. So basically, it's, we're all gonna die one day, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna stand my ground, even if they back down, cause I don't care what you say anymore, so what, you raise your voice. I'm screaming back my choice, cause I sure ain't scared of you anymore. I love that line too. What's a life without a cause? What's the point of drawing straws? They say that I'm a fool, but I'll do what I have to do. The time will come, this war is won. Yeah, I might die in a day, but I'm gonna die anyway. I'm gonna stand my ground, even if they back down, cause I don't care what you say anymore. So what, you raise your voice. I'm screaming back my choice, cause I sure ain't scared of you anymore. So this person isn't scared, this person is trying to kill her or murder her anymore, because she, She knows she's gonna die one day, and so if it's gonna be a day earlier or a day short, she knows it's gonna happen anyway. I've seen a dying man pleading for one more chance, only to fade to black, and that's why I'm going back. So she's seen people die pleading for one more chance, and so she's going back to get one more chance. I'm gonna stand my ground even if they back down, because I don't care what you say anymore. So what, you raise your voice? I'm screaming back my choice, because I sure ain't scared of you anymore. No, I'm not scared of you anymore. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe. And I'll see you guys next time with another video. Goodbye.